Hi, it's Stuart McDermott from Centric. What we're finding is more and more people are looking to invest in their home, whether it's throwing a lick of paint around or actually doing major renovation works. Here's our guide on how to maximise your value of your home. The UK is set to spend £38.7 billion on DIY projects alone in 2023. First impressions really do count, so therefore by just making simple changes like painting the front door of your home could actually boost the value of your property by £4,750. And it makes a huge impact on first impressions when you are looking to sell the home. On top of this, in a recent survey which showed 84% of buyers are essentially looking for additional storage space around the home. Things that you can do to add storage to your home are adding a garden shed, for example, providing useful understairs storage, which got clever functional features such as cloak pegs and shoe storage, or additional multifunctional furniture pieces around the home that adds and maximise storage potential. Post Office Money estimates that a garden can boost your property value by 77%, which really is a testament of how important a garden is to our everyday lives. And here's how you can make it work for you. Research from Zoopla shows that buyers are looking for a well-maintained garden more so than a well-maintained bathroom or kitchen. And remember, when presenting your rear garden, that first impressions really do count. As we get used to working from home and our new hybrid working model, a lot of people have opted for the garden room. This is a prefab construction that's quick, cheap and easy to install rather than going to the expensive full extension. And actually research shows that Rightmove is up on garden room searches by 1,000% up against 10 years ago. So it really is a great time to invest in a garden room. Garden furniture gives us the ability to relax, entertain and make our space however we choose. It is a direct extension of our indoor space outside, and it also encourages us to spend more time with friends and family in our gardens. Looking to invest into a bigger project? Think about bringing your outdoor space indoors by investing in bifold doors that helps blur the boundary lines between outdoor and indoor and create a really good entertaining area for you and your friends and family. So that's been my top DIY tips to do around your home. If you're interested in finding out more about this and you want to get in contact with us, please give us a call at any one of our branches. Alternatively, if you click the link below and go through the At Home with Centric homepage.